How to turn on or turn off high contrast keyboard in easy mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Easy Mode. So you will see easy mode is here. Click on easy mode. After click on easy mode, you will see click on easy mode. After click on easy mode, again click on easy mode. You will see high contrast keyboard is here. If you want to turn off high contrast keyboard, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see high contrast keyboard is turned off. If you want to turn on high contrast keyboard, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see high contrast keyboard is turned off. You will turn on or turn off high contrast keyboard from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off high contrast keyboard in easy mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.